Welcome back, everybody. It is Coinage here, coming at you with another one. Today it is Thursday, December 4th, 2025. We are in December, 1 week away from December 10th, which will be on a Wednesday next week. So we'll be talking about the setup that we have going here for AMC. I'll give you my midweek update. So we'll be talking about that. I'll be touching a little bit on Nio, showing you my position. So thank you all for my new subscribers. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you all for tuning in. My last video performed really well, getting over 500 views and about like 33 likes. So I really do appreciate you guys. So let's keep pushing forward. My yearly goal by the end of the year is to have 50 subscribers. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, consider helping me out and hit that sub button, notification button. That way you don't miss on the latest news on AMC. So without further ado, none of this is financial advice. Risk what you are comfortable with risking. So let's get right into this. So AMC today after hours closed at $2.33. So what it appears to be setting up for next week, or for Friday and this coming week. As being a retail trader, you got to ask questions as to why would the dealer give you such a good opportunity to buy right here. You got to ask the question, who's interested in this area? Buyers would be interested. So we could see possibly even tomorrow or Monday, you can expect the market to drop down here. So I'll go ahead and just kind of paint the picture right here. So let's see. If I go here, trend lines, we got a wedge pattern setting up here. Let's see. So we got a wedge pattern here. So, and we got a we got a liquidity zone where I know stop orders would be there. And one thing is that, whoever the market maker is, nobody really knows who is the market maker, who's behind all this. Possibly the Rothschilds, who knows. But right here, there's a huge liquidity zone where I know buyers would be putting their stop orders around this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stop order zone right here. So I know for a fact there's stop orders there, and so the market maker's job is to take out all the buyers before the buy. So get all that stop orders and then run. So we can expect to see something along the lines of, let's see, probably right here Tuesday. We could expect the market to be dropping before the news release. This is what I would like to see right here, actually. I mean, right here, creating a macro W, dropping before the news event, not only getting the stop orders out, but the last attempt to get retail sellers to sell. So in this area, we know a lot of retailers people were selling here, but this is the last attempt. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. to get retail sellers to sell before the news event, only just to reverse and away, and start pushing away from this zone. Something like this right here is what I'm thinking the market's gonna do. Now, what I don't want to see is if we get around this price range, this $2.10 area, and if it starts to consolidate here for for a whole week, then that's really not good, because then we can possibly see AMC dropping lower. But I'm gonna go ahead and draw another zone right here. As long as we can stay above this area, I'll go ahead and paint this area red. As long as we can stay above this red zone area, I'm still bullish. But as long as we don't consolidate here, then that would be a bad thing to see. But we got a nice wedge pattern setting up here, and I'm telling you, this is setting up perfectly for this December 10th date. I cannot make this stuff up. We'll see how this turns out. So that's my weekly update. Now, I'm not going to be posting on Saturday or Sunday. Normally I post midweek, and then I also post on the weekend. But I gotta work overtime this weekend, so I'll be posting on Monday. That way we can see more like what the setup is setting up for. So that's what I got here. So if we look at the previous full moons, we'll just see, a lot of times after the full moon we do get a rally, as you could see here, but we'll just have to wait and see and be patient. But so now I'm just gonna talk a little bit on Nio. So Nio, on Monday I did pick up some shares, so I went ahead and picked up shares. I'll put my average price here on the screen. Off the top of my head, I'm not really sure. I think it was like $5.18. So I did do covered calls expiring on December 19th. Strike price of $6. So that's a $1.5% gain right there. So today we had a nice gap up right here from 475. Now Nio trading at 402, so not bad there. It is possible we could get another W going on, but Nio's, I want to see more of a setup for Nio right now. It's kind of hard to see exactly what it's going to do, but I am overall bullish on Nio. So I just thought I'd give a quick update on that. But yeah, I just thought I'd make a quick update. This is what I got for you guys. Well, we'll just have to wait and see, and to see what unfolds. So right here, to me, what this looked like we did start pulling away from this zone. But personally, what I think this is an induction. That's just what I personally think. An induction to get people to buy and place their stop orders, only to get stopped out before we start running up. That's personally what I think this setup is, what we have here. Again, none of this is financial advice. You gotta do your own due diligence. Just me right here, just giving you my thoughts. So again, thank you for my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Take care, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.